Take a picture with the bite decker by
If I can't even open it.
See?
Can you open this? My hands are like, they feel.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Daddy! Good job! What is this?
Daddy, good job, Daddy.
Oh, it's like clear.
Yeah. Don't waste it.
I didn't even
Stop.
squeeze it. I barely squeezed
Jeez,
it.
Yana.
Cookie, I think I want a cookie.
Mm. Do you want another cookie?
No.
You did this earlier. Let's get another cookie.
Dad. Smells so good.
Are you sure you don't want another cookie?
Yeah. I mean, no.
Lou, that's beautiful, Lou.
I said cookie.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it.
Did she say I did cookies or something?